Orana Tiree.
Orana.
Today we're very proud of you and your development at Pacific Resort Hotel Group. So I'd like for you to share with everyone your journey, your experience, and where you are right now in the world in your career. And yeah, over to you.
So I've been with Pacific Resort since I was in high school. I think I started part-time when I was at the age of 15. So that was back in 2012. It's been a really great it was a really great experience during that time. Finished high school and I went to study at AUT. I came back for a holiday 2 years into studying, and I was offered a really great role at the reception of Pacific Resort, and I took it. And 5 years since I've been here, and I've really enjoyed my experiences. I've been able to experience Pacific Resort Rarotonga, Te Manava Luxury Villas and Spa, Little Polynesian Resort. Early last year I got to experience Pacific Resort Aitutaki for a nice week, which was really great, just to see the different type of service they provide there in comparison to what we do. I'm now in reservations and I've been enjoying it. Why I opted to try this different field was because I've been in face-to-face roles for the past 5 years, and as much as I've enjoyed it, I just thought I'd like to try something different where you're behind the scenes, where you speak with guests prior to their arrival here and see how you can make their experience easier for them. Definitely not what I thought it would be, but just seeing how it is a little bit different. They can't see your smiling face, they can't see or they can't see you as a person, and so just getting yourself across an email or over the phone is very different and challenging, but I've tried my best, and hopefully all those that I've come across, talked to by email or the phone, have just enjoyed my tone. I definitely miss engaging with the staff around the property. I did a lot of walking around where I got to say hi and let them know I was there. I really miss just engaging with the guests as well, face to face. It's a really different, I guess, level, like emotional level that you get to connect with the guests, and I really miss that. The 5 years that I've gone in reception, and I feel like I really grew to what I thought I would be in 5 years, and I hope to be that in the next 5 years, where I'm the best at my job in the trade. I'm master at my trade.
Well, congratulations again for your promotion to CRES today. We miss you.